Hello, Southern Tennessee Mom. A big shout out from Tennessee. I hope you're having a happy day and hope you have a happy Thanksgiving tomorrow. I cut a hole out in this little plastic bin I got at the Dollar Tree. I just took exact amount. I didn't measure it. I just wanted to cut a hole out. You'll see what we're going to do with that in a minute. I took these trees. I got these from the Dollar Tree. These are the $5 trees. And I've got the stand on them right now. I've just kind of flattened them out to one side, okay? And this one I kind of left undone a little bit so I can show you. Just kind of flatten it out to one side. It's not hard to do at all. And then on this one, we're going to take one of the legs off. Let me try this. All right, we're going to do this first. I think that would be easier. Since I have both sides flat, it will go together like this. Just take some zip ties, excuse me. Got these from the Dollar Tree also. And I'm going to just find where the branches meet the pole here. And I'm going to zip tie them together. Okay, so we have them all tied together now. I put one at the top, one in the middle, and one at the base here. I'm going to remove these for this moment. And we have our stand here, our container here where we cut our hole out. We'll put the tree right through it, like that. And we'll put my feet back on. Like I said, you're only going to need 2 on each one. All we're going to do is just fluff the tree out from both sides. Look how cute this is. It looks really full, and if you can see the bucket at the bottom for the, what do you call that, tree skirt? I don't know what you even call it, but I think they're so cute. And can't wait to put lights on this little thing. I think it's very full, and to me it doesn't look like a Dollar Tree tree. But let me know what you think in the comments below. I wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving. God bless you.